smooth tayo. We only have 2,000 sa class fund. We need to decide kung anong ibibenta natin for Entrepreneurship Day.
Tara, search tayo. Pabahala sa full color prints design para stick na.
Wait. Totoo yung design na alam. Baka ubos ang budget natin, what if hindi mabutan?
Oo nga, so we need to make a choice. Ang bawat choice may kapalit.
Good point, Leah. That particular opportunity cost of piliin ng full prints, you're giving up the chance to produce bigger shirts or even other items. Think wisely.
Let's treat this seriously, as if we are a real business firm.
Paano kaya kung napili natin 10 shirts, full color prints design, tapos 10 one prints?
Next strategy, para may variety, kung kasi kami sa budget, we can also plan the only mas mura kaysa sa online savings.
Ang ginagawa nyo ay binibigyan namin sa mga no? Limited resources, so kailangan nilang mamili. Education ba or health, roads or house. Simple yun kayo. Limited money on that. So kailangan nyo
So guys, what to do?
T-shirts.
So how to do? They are ready for basic, black, local pretty football colors. And for what to do?
Classmates na may iba-ibang budget. Yes, we're coordinating like a real economy.
Gusto ko ng stencil design. Kaya natin sa bahay, kailangan natin.
Mas tipid, mas madali mabilis, at mas masaya gawin with the team. That's what we call efficiency. Mas marami tayong magagawa gamit ang counting resources.
Atelia, I want to reserve the full color design needs.
Okay. Noted, nagagaliman sa 4 prints.
The next batch, we produce more about the design. Market demand help us to decide. Ganun gumagana ang market.
Ubos na yung small size tapos
Karamihan ng bumibili ay small at medium. Next batch, focus tayo doon.
So we adjust production based on what sells. That's how market works. Responding to needs.
Leia, I only have 50 pesos. Kaya ba yan?
No worries. For every pesos, basic design lang. Pero maganda pa rin.
Thank you so much, Ate Leia. Pwede rin siya sumali ng raffle. May chance na manalo ng 4 color
everyone deserves to be included. That's fair distribution.
With this experience, basic economics and health. Congratulations, entrepreneurs.